Hello, YouTube. This is going to be another kind of a preliminary wire job for the Phatmoto rover for turn signals, front and rear. And I've got the turn signal right now wired up. I'm going to show you when I touch the flasher how it's going to flash. But it's pretty simple. These flashers have a red and black. Red for the power, black for ground. To get them to turn on. And I got this little electronic flasher, 2-pin flasher, there it is. And it's got a little set screw right there. See it? And that adjusts the speed. You can make the flash go fast or slow. And I've got it kind of adjusted pretty good where it's going to be. So let me hook it up and show you how it flashes. Let's see, can you see that? Where am I at? Oh, right there. There it is. Pretty simple. Now this is just on the bench, wired to a 9-volt battery, just to show you how it's going to work. And of course, here's going to be my switch. This is going to be wired to where when you push that light switch on, that gives it power to the turn signals. When you turn that off, turn signals won't work. And there's your little slider left and right. But 2 white are for the horn. Of course, the red is your power. The 2 blue go to this light. And then the yellow is the left turn signal, and the green is the right. Pretty simple, straightforward. And what I'm going to power it with is I got this drill battery adapter. Now this adapter is for a Harbor Freight 18-volt battery. You can get the battery and the charger at Harbor Freight for $19.99. That's why I chose it. It's cheap, and it's a slim style battery, similar to this. This is a Craftsman. This is a 20-volt. This isn't the one, but it's a slim style. I didn't want the fat, bulky with the tube 12-volt. So anyway, it'll slide on like that. It'll be a Warrior 18-volt from Harbor Freight. And since it's 18-volt, you're going to need one of these step-down converters, DC to DC. Now, this one's a 24-volt, but this will work. This will step down a 24-volt, an 18, or a 20-volt down to 12 output. So you just wire the red and the black on this, and then I'll have my red and black coming out of here to go power my lights. Pretty simple. This was like $16 on Amazon. It's not cheap. This was $13 on Amazon. Then of course my battery, I don't have a Warrior tool, so the battery and the charger, it's $19.99 at Harbor Freight. And then my 4 lights, believe it or not, I got all 4 for 67 cents on Temu. Now these particular ones don't have a built-in flasher. The ones I put on my sick pad over here were $2.60 a piece. Let me turn this on. Turn the flasher on. Now they have a built-in flasher. So all you got to do is wire them to the switch, to the battery, and you got turn signals. They're a little bit fast, but that's okay. But those are $2 and like 65 cents a piece. So for 10, 11 bucks, you can get 4 of them, which is not too expensive. But they offered me these for 67 cents. And you can't pass up a deal like that. And this 12-volt electronic flasher 2-pin with a speed adjuster was $1.20. I also got these brackets. These brackets were like $2.75, $2.50 to $2.75 for 2 of them. And these will clamp around your fork tube, and then your blinker will mount right to that. So I've got those for front and rear. Now this battery adapter, I'm gonna mate it to like say this piece of thick paneling here. I'll cut one to fit it and put a couple screws in where those countersunk holes are. See those countersunk holes? And then I'll probably drill a couple holes and zip tie it onto the, here's the rover. And zip tie it onto the rover in a good spot. I'm thinking maybe down here on this tube. Can you see it? Wait a minute, let me get over here. Maybe right here. That'll keep the wiring short, because all the wiring is going to go up on the handlebar. Well, I'll have to wire my back ones up to this, but anyway, I think it's going to work out good. Now, if you've got a spare DeWalt Milwaukee 12-volt battery that you want to use, you can go on Amazon and find you one of these battery adapters to fit your battery and buy it. They go from anywhere from like 12 bucks to 20 bucks, depending on who you get it from. Anyway, there it is. It's pretty simple. I'm no wiring genius, and if I can figure it out, you can too. There you go. Uh-oh. Oh, my ground fell off over here. Anyway, that's about it. I will talk to you later when I get all of this installed. Later.